Summer is here, and yes, as business owners, we still need to post on social media, but the summer provides another opportunity to us that we can kind of show a little bit more of our personality if we're always talking about business. And that's why I want to talk to you today about summer content that we could be showing. So why would we want to do this? It's humanizing our content. It's showing that there's someone behind the feed, and it's making connections. Someone seeing a little bit more about your personality, places you like to go. Maybe you're a beach person or a lake person. It's just making those connections. And it doesn't have to be every single day of summer. It could just be a post every once in a while, or if you go on a trip. Now, how do you use it? I recently went on a work trip to New York City. So I created a reel with a combination of all different content from that experience. So glad I did. I got so many great DMs of people, either they were there, they want to go there next year and they wanted to get some information, or people who just loved that travel information. But other times, I remember working with a client. We're still working to this day, 6 years later. And in that first year, she'd always been mentioning this town that I knew really well. Come to find out, she grew up there. Instant connection. We've now, no one else knows that town like us. And it's so great that we have that connection since we're so removed from that location. You can also use it just as a story. It could just be a couple images of where you just came back from. You can do it while you're on vacation. It doesn't have to be, you can enjoy your break and then come back and start posting. It could be a carousel, just kind of like your top, 10 images from a great break. You're recharged and reset and ready for the next quarter, or you were inspired, or something inspired you for the new collection. Always kind of have a twist to it for a business post that kind of leads back to the business, if you like, or you could just say, this is my favorite place, and someone will be, they will enjoy the content. It's just always just like a nice little break. So I want to just show you some possibilities. They can just be on your iPhone, whether it's Cape Cod. Now, if you typically don't show any content about your family, you can get creative here. So I have this picture, you wouldn't know who they are, but that I have a family. So you have pictures of Cape Cod. Here's some pictures from my New York trip. Here's a California collection. And then maybe you're going on an adventure. Maybe you saved out the past 5 years for this amazing adventure and you wanted to share what you learned. Maybe it's, there's so many learning lessons when traveling. So really think about pulling those fun summer images and still supporting and posting for your business, because it just, again, humanizes your business. People get to know you a little bit more. You're always building that know, like, and trust. So I hope this was helpful. Enjoy the summer, and I can't wait to see where all you go, whether local or outside of your local area. All right.